In this video, I will show you how to blur background on Figma. So in order to blur your background in Figma, what you can do is you can just head over right here to the project that you're looking for. Now I have in here this text and I have in here this background, which is actually an image. So what we can do is we can click onto that background, and then from in there just scroll down, and under this we have the appearance option. So you can change in here the opacity of that in order to reduce it and make it much more less opacity with lesser background and blur. So we have it. It's like this. So in here you can also scroll down, and here we have the effects. So for this one, let's head over to the background blur option, and then you can change it up according to your liking. You can click onto this icon right here and then change the background blur. For example, let's try in here 80, and then you can change that in order to actually make that like this. You can also choose layer blur or drop shadow depending on which one you like. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.